What's up, y'all? Here's your little update on the DIY mower. Been doing some updates, getting it ready for 2018 for the season about to start, and I'm gonna go ahead and go over the rules because we had some changes. So here you go. Let me see if I gotta do it with the other hand because my left hand's retarded. Yeah, I don't know if you can read those or not. You probably can't. There you go. Must be a mower, belt driven, no shaft drives. Mowing deck gone, no bigger than a 25 horse lawnmower motor. You can change the pulleys. No rims bigger than 12 inch with our garden tractor. No tire chains. You can foam fill and liquid fill tires or put tubes in them or whatever, or any of the combo. Exhaust must point up or down. No bigger than 3 inch, and I really do not like stacks, by the way. Yeah. Hoods must be a stock mower hood. You can, if you have a plastic hood, you can change it with another metal hood from a different mower. And you can fill in, if it has a plastic grill, you can swap that out with sheet metal of the same thickness. No street signs. Hoods can be attached by self-tapping screws, 3/8 bolts, or welded down. You can run 2 pieces of 3/4 inch all thread. Yeah, like that. That's actually 1/2 inch. That's to the old rules. That's what I had lying around. You can weld the fenders to the frame and seam weld the dash, which I need to do to this too. You can fill in. Hell, let me pull this hood off. Try to do this, pointing everything out. Alright. Where the hell did my phone go? Alright, let's see here. You can fill in the exhaust box hole on Craftsman frame with 1/8 inch steel. Just like that. But the catch is, you can only overlap 1/2 inch. And you can only weld on 2 sides. 2 sides. So I did the front and the back on it and left these outer sides alone. You could do it the other way around, but you know, it's personal preference. It doesn't really matter. You can extend the front frame on like Murray's and MTD's with 2 inch by 2 inch 1/8 inch thick angle iron, which is basically a bed frame. Yeah, basically what I've been doing with the MTD. Yeah, you can only extend it out about 7.5 inches, basically the same as a Craftsman, basically. The plate, 10 inch wide, 5.5 inch, you know, 10 inch wide, 5.5 inch. This here is 10 inch wide, 5 inch for a Craftsman. It's perfect. So, let's see. You can weld the front axle solid, the front pivot thingy here, which I didn't do on this, and I don't like doing that anymore. It makes it hard to replace them when they get bent. You can have a spark plug protector as long as it bolts to the motor. Just like that. It's bolted to the motor. Not touching the frame or anything. I retired the old, the original spark plug protector I ever built. Retiring it. It's bent pretty bad and it's done. So I built me a new one for this. Yeah. If you ever wondered how I build my spark plug protectors, there you go. It literally just bolts to the head on these flathead motors. Simple as can be and very effective. Let's see here. Leg guards. Must have leg guards. Basically a 4-point cage on the leg guards with a back bar. This is only like a 2-point coming off the frame. You can run another 2 points like right at the fender and build, build you a sort of like a mod style cage-ish, just light setup. You can do a pretty good cage. This here is pretty basic on this one. This is pretty strong for most. And then I had to run a kicker along here to the back bar because this got bent in. So yeah, it's pretty basic on that. you can go pretty crazy because you are allowed to go as wide as the fenders. So yeah, you can bring it all the way out to the end of the fender and over, just like some of the big dogs do. And yeah, I just threw this one together, so yeah, you can get pretty crazy at the cage a little bit. Pre-ran, you're allowed a 3x3 plate. You know, not crazy thick or anything. You can reinforce the steering parts with using other lawnmower parts or hem joints, but no overkill. I just take the stock tie rod, I double it up. That's all I do. That's all I care. Gas tank and battery must be securely down. Gas tank's in a stock location, it's secured, and there's no battery on this. It's just pull start, which sucks, but it works. Yeah. Normally I'd mount my battery like right there, but there's the gear shifters on this, center shift. So no choice. Let's see. Yeah. No bumpers. No reinforcing the frame other than that. You know, the cage don't count. That's safety. And it'd be inspected and all that. The hood can be bolted down or whatever, as long as you're able to see in it. Another reason why I cut a big old hole in the hood, top of my hoods usually. Yeah. And the rest is all basic whatnot. So yeah. So basically the big changes this year is instead of running the 1/2 inch all thread, you're allowed 3/4 inch, which is a bit overkill in my eye, but whatever. And you're allowed to put this plate in. And if you're wondering how to get 1/8 inch thick plate, that's actually another Craftsman frame I cut up and just made me a plate, weld it in, because the stock Craftsman frames are 1/8 inch thick. So yeah, forgot what I was doing. Yeah. Alright, this is 3/4 inch rod. This is 1/2 inch. This is what we was allowed to run last year, which I didn't run it on this, and now I am. Here's your difference. Yeah, there's a bit of a difference there. 3/4 is a bit overkill, but whatever. It's mostly to hold the hood on, to help hold that and whatnot, and it doesn't really matter. But yeah, basically the only two big changes we had was the all thread upgrade and the box hole and whatnot. That's basically it. Same rules as last year. Nothing major. Just do, you know, quick little changes on this. New spark plug protector, that hole, the all thread, and bolt this crap back on, and this thing's ready to go. I gotta clean the carburetor first before I put the hood on, before I forget. Actually, I could probably clean it while the hood's on, so yeah. So I hope that helps with y'all. Got any questions about mowers if you plan on running around this area? I'm in southern Indiana, and we have probably like 5 a year or so through this other promoter. I don't promote no more, so I don't have no shows planned, no nothing. I don't do that no more. I gave that up. So either way, this is the other promoter's rules. My old rules and his rules are basically based off the same. So, and he upgraded the rules for this year for a little bit harder of a mower. It's looking like it's going to be a good year. Everyone's building some good stuff this year. I'm getting word that a lot of people are stepping up their game. So yeah, it's going to be interesting this year. I can't wait. Yeah. Very quickly, I want to add one little thing. This is a backup mower. Yeah, I'll keep it at that. So, I guess I'm going to get off here, get back to work, get this thing finished up. To the next one. Later, y'all.